Seeing the unable to access microSD card error on a Nintendo Switch, this usually happens if the card isn't formatted correctly, has corrupted data, or isn't inserted properly. I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Solution 1. Reinsert the microSD card. Power off the switch completely. Go behind its back, remove the SD card, and carefully reinsert it until you hear the click. Make sure the slot cover is fully closed. Avoid inserting or removing the card while the system is powered on because it always forces a shutdown. Solution 2. Update firmware. A pending software update can sometimes cause the issue. From your Switch home menu, go to System Settings, scroll down to System. Now select Software Update. Make sure you're running the latest firmware. If there are any updates, make sure to update your console. That's it. This is how you fix the unable to access microSD card issue on your Nintendo Switch. If this didn't work, I have other videos covering related problems like formatting errors and data transfer tips. So be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching.